Guys, I literally woke up like 20 seconds ago, no joke, and there's a bird in my house. As you can see, this is my kitchen, and then there's a little problem. Yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna get this out. So do I grab it? There's birds gathering outside. Can I grab you? Can I just grab you? Like, stop it. Stop. Be quiet, be quiet. Bro, calm down. No, don't fly. You're dumb. There's no way out. I open this window. Oh, bro, you just tried to attack me. Okay, can I open this window? Apparently not, because you're freaking attacking me. Bro, I'm trying to open it for you. I'm going to find. Bro, what are you doing? Okay, the bird is still here, and it's been like 20 minutes. How do you even open this? Come on. Oh, it's open. Bird, go out! Go out! Go out! Bird, please. It's legit open. You piece of crap, go out. Bird, it's open for you. Get out! Yes! Yes! He's out! He's out! Oh my god, I can't believe my plan worked. Get out of my house. YouTube, Bodie, Neme, subscribe. So guys, I just got the bird out of the house. I don't even know what's going on. I woke up like 20 seconds ago. No joke, man. I hear my mom screaming, Bodie, help me. Come downstairs. There's a bird in the freaking kitchen. I don't even know. Welcome to the vlog, guys. If you like this kind of stuff, subscribe, like, I don't even know what's going on, and let's get on to the next thing I'm gonna do, I guess. So here we go. So guys, Hayden's here, and Elizabeth and Kat. So guys, I've actually never skated before, so this is gonna go very good. I'm trash, like I can't go anywhere. This is way easier. No, the copyright! Bro, I'm a pro, okay? Hey, do people have butt pads? Like, yeah, where are mine? I'm so trash. I can't feel my hand because I kind of fell 0 times because I'm the best, you know what I mean? I can't really feel it, so I'm putting hot water on. Don't know if that's gonna help, but if you guys think I'm a pro skater, leave it in the comments below. Comment down below. Bodie's the best pro skater in the world currently, 2017. I'm about to go get on the ice again. Hopefully not fall, because I didn't fall any time, you know what I mean? I didn't fall any. I didn't fall once, I didn't fall twice. I fell 0 times. I fell 0 times. Let's get back on the ice. So guys, the skating rink just closed and we're about to leave and I'm about to go to Hayden's house. I'll see you guys there. So guys, somehow we're at PetSmart and we're like fighting this cat because like it's talking trash. What dog? What's up, dog? Yeah, talking trash? Oh my god. So guys, right now I'm at Hayden's house. I forgot to vlog. I fell asleep. And right now we're about to go to the park and just go mess around. So guys, I just got home from Hayden's house. It is 12:30. I'm about to go to bed, but if you guys enjoyed that video, please smash the like button. If you're new, subscribe. Comment down below if you guys enjoyed that video. And yeah, peace.